Hey guys, a lot of you ask how I do my hair, and I just got out of the shower and decided to film myself curling my hair and showing you exactly how I get these beachy waves. So if you're interested in seeing how I do it, it's not the most glamorous video, but it is definitely the way I do it. You'll see exactly what I do, and yeah, so if you're interested, just keep watching.
Waiting for you. You were always taking time, baby, playing it through. I was calling out your name with my eyes on the wall. You were running like a ghost from me. You were running from it all. You got me waiting, I'm on fire. You got me waiting, my desire. Keep on moving to the purpose now, to the end day. On the ocean. Keep on moving to the purpose now, to the end day. On the ocean. You've been playing my mind lately, turn it around. Once I thought you were mine.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets.